With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, in this given question, we need to answer the compound which react with Fehling solution is. So basically Fehling solution is a test for identifying the aldehyde group present, and this will be confirming the formation of red PPT. Then we can say that it's going to contain the aldehyde group. So basically R, C double bond, H. So this is the aldehyde group that must be present over in compound to give this test. Over here this is given as benzoic acid, so C6H5 and C double bond OH. So it's not going to give because it is not containing aldehyde group. Now second option we are given our formic acid or methanoic acid. So yeah, this is containing the aldehyde group. Actually it is an acid as well as an aldehyde because it is containing both the group. So this can give Fehling solution test. So we are going to see its reaction afterwards. Now this is our benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde molecule is not going to give our corresponding Fehling solution test. So this is not giving. So what is the reason for that? Because over here this is the benzyl ring over here. So it is showing its effect of plus R and correspondingly increasing the density of electrons at the carbon. So this is going to strengthen the carbon H bond. So this carbon H bond is going to be stronger in nature. So it cannot be cleavaged by Fehling or Benedict solution, which are our oxidizing agent, but weaker oxidizing agent. So only Tollens can break this CH bond and convert correspondingly to alcohol and forming carboxylic acid over here. So this reason is that CH bond is going to be stronger in strength. That's why it cannot be cleavaged by this weaker oxidizing agent over here. So this cleavage does not take place. That is why benzaldehyde is not giving test. Similarly over here, this molecule is given to us CH2, which is containing Cl and CH3. So it is also not containing aldehyde group. So it's also not giving. Now let's write the reaction of our methanoic acid. So H C double bond OH, when it is reacting with presence of CuO and heating is being taking place, so corresponding product will be formed are CO2, H2O and our red PPT of Cu2O. So this is confirming the test and this is the red PPT. So these are the respective product and this red PPT is forming. So which is the correct answer? Option B. So this was the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.